A Wraithlord, also called an Iron Knight, Wraith Giant, and by the Imperium an Eldar Dreadnought, is a craft-world Aeldari robotic combat walker known as a Ghost Warrior that contains no living pilot. Rather, it is merely a robotic shell, a repository of the animating soul of a dead Ashurni hero. Wraithlords are graceful but mighty giants that dwarf their smaller Wraithguard Ghost Warrior cousins. These large constructs are extremely precious to the Aeldari craft worlds and have a supernatural toughness due to being made from this psychically active substance called Wraithbone, summoned into being by the necromantic processes of the Ashurni spirit seers. Only a true hero of the Aeldari people has psychic power enough to animate the gigantic Wraithbone shell of a Wraithlord. History abounds with tales of enormous statues magically coming to life in defense of primeval crypts or to avenge ancient wrongs. The image of these towering constructs shown into animation is ingrained in the human psyche and explains the visceral reaction when humans have when first encountering the Wraithlords. A graceful statue of Aeldari manufacture, each Wraithlord is encrusted in glittering gemstones and scrolling alien glyphs, with a smooth, featureless head sweeping back from broad, fragile seeming shoulders. The inhumanity of this giant statue is immediately evident. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.